Hello everyone, I'm your science teacher and I'm back to you guys with another video of second chapter of science. In the last video we discussed about 5 major categories of microorganism. Many years back it was considered that all the microorganisms are harmful for us and they only cause disease. Later on, scientists discovered that only few of the microorganisms are harmful and can cause disease. Most of the microorganisms are harmless and some of the microorganisms are even helpful to us. As the name of chapter suggests, microorganism, friend and foe. That means there are microorganisms which are useful or beneficial for us and there are microorganisms which are our enemy, that means foe. In this video we will discuss about friendly microorganism. Okay. Now, first field of application of microorganism is that they are utilized in making of different food products. I know almost all of us eat curd. But what if I tell you that there are millions and trillions of microorganisms present in just one scoop of a curd? Yes, that's true, and these microorganisms are none other than bacteria. As you can clearly see in this video that there are so many bacteria present in curd. These bacteria are observed under a microscope. As you already know, microorganisms can only be seen with the help of a microscope. Now you must be thinking that what is the name of these bacteria which are present in curd? As we did in our last video, I hope you remember, it's Lactobacillus bacterium or Lactobacilli bacteria. Lactobacilli is the plural form of Lactobacillus. Do you know how curd is prepared? We all must have seen our mothers adding a little amount of curd into warm milk and then that container is left untouched for the whole night. Over the night, that warm milk is turned into curd. But have you ever thought how this process actually takes place? Now you will get to know. Milk contains natural sugar known as lactose, and Lactobacilli bacteria, which is present in the curd, converts that lactose sugar into lactic acid. Now, this lactic acid is the one which converts warm milk into curd, and that's how curd is formed. Do you like eating cakes and other kind of bakery-based products? I think your answer will be yes. But have you ever thought why there are so many pores on a single piece of bread? It's again because of microorganisms, which are used in the formation of bread. Now, whenever you read anywhere, or even if I am telling you that this or that thing happens because of certain microorganism, then one question that should immediately strike to your mind is, which type of microorganism I am talking about? Yes, there are 5 major categories of microorganism, if you remember, that are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. So which one of them is used in that particular application? You should always think about this. For example, now I have told you that bread is made with the help of a microorganism. But which microorganism? Answer will be yeast, which is a type of fungi. So fungi are the microorganisms which help in the formation of bread. Now we can learn how bread is prepared. First step will involve preparation of dough, and while preparing dough, yeast powder is mixed. Then in that prepared dough, yeast starts reproducing and gives out carbon dioxide gas during respiration. Now this respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen, and do you remember what such a respiration is known as? Anaerobic respiration. As carbon dioxide is a gas and hence volume of dough increases like you can see here. What happens inside the dough is that yeast act upon sugar present in dough and sugar is converted into alcohol plus carbon dioxide gas. This conversion is very important as we will discuss it again while learning about the production of alcohol. As you can see here, sugar is converted into alcohol also. Okay. That's why there are so many holes on bread due to the bubbles of carbon dioxide gas being released during baking process in oven. This makes bread light, soft and spongy, which we all love. Now, another field of application where microorganisms are used is in the commercial production of alcohol, wine and vinegar. As you already know that yeast, which is a type of fungi, can convert sugar into alcohol and CO2 gas, that is carbon dioxide gas. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast is called as fermentation, and it was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. Now, what kind of sugar will be used here for the fermentation? Here, we use natural sugar present in fruits and grains like barley, rice, cane juices, etc. In this way, alcohol is prepared with the help of natural sugar that is converted into alcohol by the help of yeast, and the process is known as fermentation. What about vinegar? It looks just like water but is used in preparation of many food products. It's also known as sirka in Hindi. Can vinegar be also prepared like that? No. Once we are done with alcohol, then we use bacteria to prepare vinegar. Okay. Bacteria can turn alcohol into acetic acid, that is vinegar. Again, you should think which bacteria are used here. Acetobacter is the name of bacteria that is added to alcohol and air is bubbled through this mixture. In the presence of oxygen, Acetobacter converts alcohol into acetic acid, and that's how vinegar is prepared. Okay. So, in this video you learnt why microorganisms are also known as friends of us, as they are utilized in making of different food products. And secondly, microorganisms are also used in the commercial production of alcohol, wine and vinegar. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we will talk about few more benefits of microorganism. Like we will discuss the difference between antibiotics and vaccine. Till then, take care of yourself and your family.